the car is on the road, driver will check the water tank, engine oil. How about will not? PROGi car will not is best offer for your safety. PROGi using a special steel forging. Aluminum is more solid than the average. Not only enhance the hardness, also increases abrasion resistance. Demolish at the same time. Will show the measuring equipment. PROGi will not has less abrasion. The screw body is also a little. PROGi wants to prove the wheel nut is really rough than the average and has a long life. General appearance of the wheel nut for processing only galvanized is the worst case. PROGi will nut is three different ways processing for you to choose. First, ordinary galvanized processing will enhance the material's rust. Second, pure chrome exterior color processing with salt test will not rust in addition to enhance performance, increases the hardness of forging material and more. Third, plated black exterior envelope processing with the record does not rust after 300 hours with salty water test is the worst choice. What are you waiting for? PROGi will not, you cannot ignore. Do it now, get the best will not for your safety.